Ingredients: bacon, 2 strips to be exact, a burger bun, meat. So to be specific, this is around 50% fat, like you can see here, and I'm gonna use around 200 grams. I'm not gonna use this whole thing, it's like 488, so yeah, cool. 2 slices of cheese. So for the burger sauce itself, we're gonna be using all of these. I don't know the specific measurements, I just grabbed whatever I had there. It's gonna be good anyways. Salt and pepper, this is for this goes for this, yes. I don't know how much though. Peanut butter. Okay, for the pan itself, I'm gonna put this around 7 for the bacon, which I think is like slightly on the higher side, and I'm probably gonna bump it up an extra 1 for the meat. Oh yeah, Kobe. Okay, bacon's going in now. 6. So now for us, how long you should leave this in the pan itself. It doesn't really matter that much how much time itself you put in. You just want to make sure that it gets the correct consistency you want. Some people have chewy bacon, so it's kind of going to be more by the eye, so you know where you take it out. I'm not going to leave them too long. I don't want these super crispy, so it's going to be a little bit only, not that much. So in the meantime that's cooking, I have set up this. It's going to be like a drying station or a drying rack that we are going to dry all the things that are high in fats, things like the burgers or bacon. It's gonna be throwing out a lot of juice when we take it out, and we don't want to put it straight into the burger like that, because then it's gonna get all soggy. It's been around 3 minutes or something. So as you can see, there's quite a lot of browning already, and if we take it out right now, it's probably gonna be a bit crispy. So there's going to be a little bit more time in here, and then we'll be good. I'll tell that it has shrunk in size quite a lot. This right now is gonna be kind of chewy, as you can see, but once you dry it up, it's gonna firm up. Next, we are going to be making the burger balls, since this is going to be a smash burger. So what we'll do is we'll just shape it. As you can see right here, this is not quite done. We're actually going to do something else, but this is basically it. What we're going to be doing is we are going to actually be tossing them around a bit like this, like if they were just, I don't know, a sports ball, a baseball or something. And the reason for this is because we can actually eliminate a lot of the air bubbles that might be inside of the meat whenever we folded it, so that it's just gonna look a bit smoother whenever we are going to smash it, and then it's just going to smash a lot easier. There's no air bubbles. So as you can see, it's just going to be this for a while. Good sign, you might be able to see that these burgers are going to be good. I don't know if it can really be visible on camera, but a lot of the fat is actually melting into my hands, which means this is going to probably be very juicy. We're going to be doing a burger sauce with like a bunch of this stuff. This burger sauce is gonna be really simple. We're just gonna mix everything in, and yeah, whatever. Mayo, ketchup, and just barbecue sauce. And this seasoning thing, I don't really know what it is, but don't put it. As you can see here, I mixed it up. This is kind of an insane amount of sauce. Also going to be toasting our burger buns, just here, not that much, but just a little bit to heat it up. And now we can actually get into the meat. Okay, so now we are going to be cooking our meat. This is the second one. I already cooked the first one, but I'd rather record this one. So we are essentially going to be searing it on one side, flipping that side over, and then the seared side we're gonna smash it with our burger press. There's going to be no oil required for the pan itself. It's not really gonna be necessary. So just a small sear, not really steak-like, just small. And then you're gonna press down really hard. Okay, there you go. So now I'd like to leave it in the center of the pan since that's the hottest area. And just a bit of seasoning, as we said, a bit of salt. Okay, well. And we should be good. Now, for the amount of time we are going to be leaving this, it's not actually going to be that much, because since we thinned out the meat so much, the cooking is just gonna go a lot faster. And you also want it to still be juicy on the inside. You don't want it completely dried out. So we'll just wait here and I'll tell you. I just flipped it over. You could leave it on for longer. You can kind of tell the bottom still pink. I just flipped it over. And now we are just going to be putting the cheese on and we're gonna wait for it to melt. We are going to be using a lid to melt it. I'm gonna wait a little bit though, because I'd rather sear it a bit first, because when you put the lid on, it melts very fast. So I'll just leave it on for a bit. Almost ready. We are going to start stacking our burger. We are going to be using our sauce. That's probably way too much. I'm gonna have to put some in the fridge. I'm gonna put it on one side, because like this, just put it out. We are also going to be using peanut butter. Yeah, I don't know why it's so watery one. Peanut butter. Yeah. So this is basically done. We are just going to be plating this and our strips of bacon, and we're done. Ta-da! Now I'm just gonna eat. Oh,